How to attain rebirth in heaven. The Supreme Buddha advised adopting 3 key qualities to attain rebirth in heaven. Today, I am going to share with you 3 important pieces of advice given by our great teacher, the Supreme Buddha, to live a peaceful life and attain rebirth in heaven. If we follow these 3 instructions, the Supreme Buddha said we will attain rebirth in heaven. So, what are these 3 instructions? 1. Do not get angry. The Supreme Buddha said that it is very easy to get angry with someone. He taught us that committing bad deeds is easy, but these deeds not only cause us suffering but also bring pain to others. Doing good deeds is hard. It is difficult to practice patience and prevent anger from arising in our minds. But if we fail to do so, one day we will have to face the consequences of our bad deeds. To avoid anger, we must maintain inner peace. Whenever a problem arises in life, it is challenging to keep patience, kindness, and compassion. But if we practice love and compassion and refrain from anger, we can achieve true peace in our lives. The Supreme Buddha said that a person who does not get angry and spreads loving compassion towards everyone will attain rebirth in heaven. 2. Always speak the truth. The Supreme Buddha said that a person who speaks the truth can lead a peaceful life. It is easy to lie, especially when you are in a difficult situation. You can escape the problem by lying, but remember, you cannot escape the consequences of your bad deeds, karma. Therefore, lying is something we should avoid in our lives. No matter how tough the situation is, even if speaking the truth causes you harm, you must always speak the truth. Better a bitter truth than a sweet lie. The Supreme Buddha advised us to always speak the truth. If we follow this advice, we will not only find peace in this life but also attain rebirth in heaven. 3. Give even when you have little. The Supreme Buddha said that we should be generous, even if we have very little. When you have a lot, it is easy to give a little. But when you have very little, giving becomes difficult. If a person shows generosity despite having limited resources, it is the greatest gift. This is the pinnacle of true generosity. By doing this, we learn to control our desires and ego. The Supreme Buddha said that when you give even from your limited resources, you practice true generosity. This not only keeps you happy in this life but also ensures rebirth in heaven. Conclusion. The Supreme Buddha gave us 3 pieces of advice. Do not get angry. Always speak the truth. Give even when you have little. If you follow these 3 instructions, your life will become peaceful and wonderful. Both this life and the next will be filled with happiness. Practice these teachings, and you will find peace and joy.